How to delete cards on Trello. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to delete cards from your Trello account. So for that, just simply open your Trello account, and after that just simply select the card that you would want to delete. So one thing that you should keep in mind, that you cannot delete your cards from your Trello account just like that, because there is no such option to delete them. But if you still want to delete them, all you have to do is just simply open the card that you would want to delete, and from there just simply go to the archive section from there, and over here you will be able to see the option called delete. So in order to delete this particular card from the workflow you are working on, just simply click on archives and click on delete. So what it will does is that it will not delete the card permanently from your workflow in the Trello account, but rather it will put the particular card that you are deleting into the archive section, and from there you can access this particular card whenever you want to. So just simply click on delete from here and your card will be deleted. So it says that all action will be removed from the activity feed and you won't be able to reopen the card. There is no undo. So just simply click on delete, and there is another option through which you can also delete the card. So for example, if you want to delete it directly, so on your keyboard just simply press C and your card will be removed from your workflow. So yeah, this is basically how you will be able to delete cards on Trello. I hope you find this video to be helpful.
So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.